Every single heartbeat has a cycle, the cardiac cycle. It includes everything from filling to pumping. It starts with diastole, the relaxation phase, where the heart fills with blood. Then comes systole, the contraction phase, where the ventricles pump blood to the lungs and body. Phases include isovolumetric contraction, ejection, isovolumetric relaxation, and ventricular filling. The familiar lub-dub sounds? That's the valves closing, S1, AV valves, and S2, semilunar valves. This cycle happens 60 to 100 times per minute, non-stop, for life. Subscribe for more fascinating facts about your body.